Islam's true origin. Islam, in its fundamental sense of submission to the one God, Allah, did not begin with Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It began with the first human being and the first prophet, Adam, peace be upon him. The religion of all prophets. All prophets from Adam to Noah, Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and Muhammad, peace be upon them all, preached the same core message, the oneness of God and the need to submit to his will. Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the final message. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the final messenger, and the message he brought is the complete and final form of Islam, building upon and completing the messages of all the prophets before him. How idol worship began, as mentioned in Surah Noah. Surah Noah provides a key explanation in the Quran about how idol worship began. It wasn't an immediate occurrence, but a gradual deviation. Initial righteousness. In the early generations, there were righteous individuals who were greatly loved and respected by their communities. Commemoration. After these righteous people died, their communities, out of love and remembrance, began to create statues or memorials of them. The intention was to honor them and be inspired by their good deeds. Gradual shift. Over time, as generations passed, the original intention behind these statues was forgotten. Satan's deception. Satan gradually misled the people. He whispered to them to begin venerating these statues, not just as reminders, but as intercessors or even objects of worship themselves. Specific idols. The Quran mentions the names of some of the idols that the people of Noah, peace be upon him, worshipped: Wad, Suh, Yagath, Yuak, and Nasr. Islamic scholars believe these were the names of those originally righteous people. Noah's warning. Prophet Noah, peace be upon him, warned his people vehemently against this deviation, explaining that worship is due only to Allah alone. However, many of them persisted in their ways. In essence, the core message of Islam, submission to one God, is as old as humanity itself. Idol worship was a later corruption, a deviation from this original pure monotheism. Prophets like Noah were sent to correct these deviations and call people back to the true path. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, came to restore and perfect this original message, clarifying it from any later distortions. This understanding is crucial because it places Islam within the context of the history of monotheism, emphasizing that it is not a new religion, but the continuation and culmination of the same message brought by all the prophets.